Hello everyone. Today we are going to study characteristics of transistor in CB configuration. So let us start. First of all, we'll see the CB configuration. Here in common base configuration, emitter is the input terminal, collector is the output terminal, and the base terminal is connected as a common terminal for both input and output. This means that the emitter terminal and common base terminal are the input terminals, and the collector terminal and common base terminal are the output terminals. So, even we can say that in common base configuration, the base terminal is grounded, so known as grounded base configuration. Here, the input signal is applied between the emitter and base terminal, and the output is taken across the collector and base. Thus, the base is common for both input and output terminals, and hence we are saying it as common base configuration. The supply voltage between the emitter and base is called VBE, while the supply voltage between the collector and base is called VCB or VCC. The base emitter junction is always base emitter junction is forward bias. Therefore, the common base configuration this is forward bias, and the collector base junction is reverse bias. Here we have two kinds of common base transistors. One is NPN and another is PNP. The difference between the two is observed over here. The arrow in NPN is towards the emitter, whereas the arrow in PNP is towards the base. And the another difference is their biasing, the supply voltage. Okay, so this is the CB configuration. Now let us see the characteristics. Here we are going to study the input characteristics of CB configuration. In this, we can observe the emitter base voltage VEB with respect to IE to emitter current at constant base collector voltage VCB. A curve is drawn which is called input characteristics. And in this we can observe that the emitter current IE increases rapidly with a small increase in emitter base voltage. If very small amount of VEB increase, then the large change in IE is observed. And this means that the input resistance is very small in this CB configuration input characteristics. The emitter current is independent of collector voltage. So these are the input characteristics in CB configuration. Let us see the input resistance. The input resistance of the transistor is nothing but the ratio of change in emitter base voltage to change in emitter current. So we can write this as input resistance is equal to change in VEB upon change in IE at constant VCB. And in terms of formula, we can write input resistance as del of VEB by del of IE, that is nothing but change in VEB to change in IE at constant voltage at CB. So this is the input resistance. Now let us see the output characteristics. In this output characteristics, for CB configuration, here the curve is drawn between the collector current IC and collector emitter voltage VCB at a constant base current IB, and this is called the output characteristics. And with what we observe in this output characteristics is the collector current IC varies with VCB, that is collector base voltage, only on the starting or when the collector base voltage is below 1 volt. Transistor never operated below this voltage. This is the first thing we can observe. When this VCB increases above 1 or 2 volt, collector current IC is become constant. We can clearly observe here, before 1 or 2 it is varying, and later on it is almost constant. Okay. And this shows that the collector current is independent of collector base voltage and depends upon the emitter current only. One more thing we can observe in this output characteristics is the large change in collector base voltage gives a very small change in collector current. Here we can observe, here suppose this is the VCB, say this is 6 volt, okay, and this is the 5 volt. So still it is almost same, and very minute change is observed over here. So what we can say, there is a small change in collector current even at large change of VCB, and this means that the output resistance of the circuit is very high. So this is about output characteristics. Let us see the output resistance. What is the output resistance? The output resistance is a ratio of change in collector base voltage, that is VCB, to change in collector current, that is IC. So we can denote output resistance as RO is equal to change in VCB to change in IC at constant IE. So RO is equal to del VCB by del IC. And this output resistance is very high because of collector current do not change with the collector base voltage. So these are the input and output characteristics of CB configuration. With this, I stop here. Thank you.